Code to Enhance Learning presents the CEL video series on how to write problem statement for kids. Episode 3 Synthesis. I am Khushi and together we will be understanding the process of writing effective problem statements. Let's do a quick recap of our previous episode on research. The sources who could help and guide us in the project and also otherwise are our parents, teachers, books, internet, etc. Let's make wise use of them. We briefly looked at the format of open-ended and close-ended questions. Then, with the help of our sources, we designed a questionnaire to capture the responses. In today's episode, we will be learning to synthesize, that is, combining the information we have collected and updating the graphic organizer, post which we will be choosing the major causes that we want to solve. If you have collected the data, then you would be able to engage with the video better. I have my data ready and I shall update my graphic organizer now. Who are the people that are getting affected? They are students, teachers, parents, shopkeepers, rich and poor, young and old. Adults and kids both fall sick. However, currently I'm more concerned about my schoolmates, so I'm going to focus on them. From the survey, I also got to know that almost 20 kids out of 300 in school fall sick due to malaria and dengue. So I am going to record this information as shown on the screen. Let's update the responses for experiences. Different people were facing different kinds of issues due to the problem. Students have high fever and weakness. It takes around 3 weeks for students to recover and come back to school. They miss out a lot of learning because of this. And sometimes they even miss out exams when they fall sick during the examination. Parents get physically tired taking care of their children and managing their work. Moreover, it creates financial stress in the family. Coming to the last bucket of the problem statement, that is causes. Different people expressed different causes for the issue. That is mosquitoes due to garbage outside school, corporation not doing their job properly of collecting garbage and cleaning, corporation being overloaded, people not being educated, people not caring about cleanliness. Few people were also of the opinion that a particular community of people throw garbage outside. Although there are many causes that you can see being listed, we will focus on the major causes. We voted to narrow down on the major root causes and following were the ones which got voted by majority. That is, mosquitoes due to garbage outside school and people not following proper cleanliness measures. With this, we have reached the end of the episode. Let's do a quick recap of what we did. Step by step, we updated data collected in the graphic organizer. We then decided to focus on the major causes and voted to choose those causes based on majority. In the next episode, we will learn to do refining of the data collected and frame our final problem statement. So, stay tuned till then. Thank you.